unboxing the Electro. So this is the new brand from Emo. I don't know how to say it. Oiios? Oiios would make sense. This tool is essential. This, be very careful with. Fat tire folding e-bike. This will be replacing the eWild Pro. UL 2849 certification. Some fantastic colors and a ridiculous price. $19.99 for the 15.6 amp hour, $22.50 for the 20 amp hour. Oh, they sent a great color too. First I'm gonna take the seat out. That was pretty smooth. Oh, there we go. All right, I'm gonna start unclipping. Very nice color. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put on the pedals, the handlebars, fender, and front wheel. So you've got your toolkit. The first thing I did is you can just move your speedo forward. You have to take this off completely, put the screws back in, start to tighten it, place it where you want it, and then tighten it tightly. Put your speedo back. Now I'm putting on the fender. You have to put on your fender first, but you have to put on your light at the same time. So this bolt comes out. You want to place your light, and I like to lift this up. This is why you do need a buddy to help you, because if this is down, it's going to touch your tire. So we like to lift that up. Of course, we can make adjustments once you have it on, but I like to tighten it all the way up. You need a wrench. They don't give you a wrench, you need a wrench. Hold on, wait. Oh, there's more tools in here.
Ooh.
Whoa! That's new. Okay, that's wonderful. Except you need both, you need this end and you need this end. Anyways, okay, so this is gonna be a 10 mil on the back here, right? But now I need an Allen key for the front. This is great because this nut here is a locking nut. So over time, you know, you get vibration, things loosen, you want to check your axles and your kickstand bolts. So this is really wonderful, but you do need another tool. I just want to get this loose. Now, this is important. There's a little spacer here, right here. You must take that out. Oh, quick release. Okay. Convenient, but make sure this thing's tight, man. I'll tell you. Okay, so now we want to squeeze this in here. We're gonna fit this. Now this is the tricky part. This is why you need a buddy. This is nice and convenient. So you want this, like this is open. So when you close it, like that's way too easy, clearly. Too easy. No, I still want it tighter than that. Yes. Nice and snug. Good. All right. We've got a bike here. And before I get up, I'm going to adjust this light because I'm already down here. There. Now I'm going to tighten that back up. Got lots of room there, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten that. There. Okay. I want to turn this on right away. I don't want to wait. Off. On. So it's got the indicator at the top. That needs to be a little charged a little bit. And I got a nice obvious power button. Oh, that turns on really quickly. Yeah, see 71%. That's a nice clear screen. Actually, that's phenomenal. You can see that no matter how bright the sun is. You know, some of them you can't see them on an angle. You have to be sitting in front of them. That's a really nice, simple speedo. Woohoo! All right, let me put on the seat and the pedals. They have a left and the right, and that's important. So when you're on the bike, it's left or the right. They don't always thread to the right. So lefty-loosey is not the case with this one. It's lefty-tighty on this one. Get in there. There we go. And with the same tool, you definitely want to tighten these. I don't love this tool because it does make some marks on there. Yeah, see, I don't like that. You have to spend $100 in tools. Just know you'll mark it a little bit. Seat on. Now you're gonna check your tire pressure. Tire pressure on fat tires is usually 3 to 20, but they say on this one it's just a max 20, so it doesn't give you a low, but it's 3.5. That's pretty low. You're not gonna get the distance. You do want to put some grease on that. We're gonna get some grease for the chain as well. Yeah, it definitely needs some grease, so I'm not gonna push that. But there you go. Woohoo! Nice low step through, adjustable shocks, nice bright light. It's daylight, I can't see it. And another unique feature on this one too is that instead of a thumb throttle, it's got a pull throttle. Put it to 1, it's got a pull throttle. This is a 500 750 peak, so this thing's got power. So there's your unboxing, and we'll do a walkthrough next.